Hi everyone, we're going to solve for x given the transversal here intersects two parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. And for the first one here, I'm going to use the corresponding angle theorem. These are your corner angles on the same side of the transversal, and they are equal or congruent because of the parallel lines. So we just set 86 equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and you get 43. So x is 43. And on this one, I know if this is 180 degrees, I'm going to use my alternate exterior angle theorem, and they're congruent. So 3x degrees is congruent to 108 degrees. Therefore, to solve for x, you go 3x equals 108, and you divide both sides by 3, and you get 36. So x equals 36. We have several more examples. Here's another one. So I'll just draw a line here. These are alternate interior angles, so you set them to equal each other. So 4x equals 72 because 4x degrees is congruent to 72 degrees. When you divide both sides by 4, you get x equals 18. All right, in this one, we have another corresponding angles. They're the ones on the corner here. They're congruent if these lines are parallel. So we have 111 degrees is congruent to x plus 21 degrees. So 111 equals x plus 21. Excuse me. And you subtract 21 from 111. And that gives you 90. So let's just show our work a little bit. So you get 90 equals your x, which is our goal. So we did that one. And one more set here. We have this one here. We know this is 78. So using our supplementary angle theorem, 180 degrees minus 78 degrees gives you 180 minus 78 gives you 102 degrees. So this angle here is 102 degrees. Now I'm going to use my alternate exterior angle theorem, and I know 102 degrees is congruent to 3x plus 33 degrees. So just set that up and solve for x. Subtract 33 from both sides of the equation, and you get 102 minus 33 gives you 69 equals 3x, and divide both sides by 3, and that gives you 23. So x is 23. And for this one, I know through my alternate exterior angle theorem that this is congruent with this angle here. So this also would be 4x minus 8 degrees. All right. So I know these two angles are supplementary. I mean, there's several ways to do this, but if they're supplementary, then the angles must add up to 180 degrees. So let's set that up. We have 64 plus 4x minus 8 equals 180. So 64 minus 8 gives you 56. And subtract 56 from 180. Excuse me. That should be a 6. And that gives you 4x equals 124. And therefore, if you divide both sides by 4, 4 goes into 12, 3. 4 goes into 4, 1. So x is 31. All right, that's just there's different ways to do it, but that was one way. And here is some general information. The main thing you need to know is we used alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles are formed, and they're congruent if they intersect parallel lines. And so a lot of this has to do with parallel lines. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.